Menteri ke Kabinet Jong Sorkar Jela James PK Sangma ulas sedang penterekam ya ke Community Seed Bank Project Henin Kesengi naga bentaban penek pensa bat ban kentiu ya ki sembai kau ki bala henriu hajar senem hasadol para West Garo Hills ringkat ke jing senok tilang Jong ke Nesfas bat ka ELP Foundation u James ulaang baka jing penterekam ya ki project kalong ban sengutu halor ke rukam pulih bnya bat ban penroy ki sembai kau kenang ban la ban rep kambun da ka jing yarap lang jong ki nong shnong nakadaw ka jing don jong ka jing kala ha ka jing long jong kamaryang yakini ki jat sembai lala ban syam ha ki jaka basharing jong ka sadal para bat kam long ka bajanjar bantung yaki habai nujor bat ki we pat ki jat kau ki banan kam bantung ha ki jaka ki babon lawan bani simbenta ka jing pelat yakini ka project da ki nong rep ka sadal para ki nong shnong nokma ki start wat nya jong ka Nesfas bat ki khot jong ka ELP Foundation.
We felt that it will be very meaningful to have a rice-centric seed bank here in Sarupara with a bid to preserve the seeds physically and also along with the traditional knowledge that goes along these seed varieties, these rice varieties.